Hi there, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned how to create a cloud-based identity in Microsoft Entra. It's time for us to use that same account and log in with that account. You can use any of the online cloud URLs, for example, portal.azure.com or myapps.microsoft.com. In my case, I'm trying to log in with myapps.microsoft.com, and I'm going to enter here the account that we created in the past and hit enter, and this is going to ask us the password. And if you remember, in the past we have customized the end user experience, which we talked about, the customizing the Entra sign-in page, branding. All of that information is clearly visible here. Now it's time for enter to the password, and since this is the first time the user is trying to log in, it will ask to change the password in the next logon. So I would be typing a new password and click on sign in. Now you could see here it's actually asking us to follow the 14 days recommendation to set up with Microsoft Authenticator app based sign in. So let's configure that quickly. You will be using Microsoft Authenticator in order to use your multi-factor authentication so that the account can be secured. Once you open up a Microsoft Authenticator application, click on Next. This is going to show up a QR code and scan the QR code. That way it gets added. And it will ask you to verify if the QR code is successful. So in this case, I have verified. Click on Next. So now done. Now I should be able to log into straightforward to myapps.microsoft.com. And if any of the applications that are listed, for example, I have here Word license, OneDrive license, so I should be able to use these applications. So this is all about the web-based authentication or web-based use case. Now let's have a look on in the next lecture, how can you access from a computer?